time to roll up our sleeve, folks. And today we'll be trying to fix something we normally experience in the our dryer area. You've seen all the tools that we'll be requiring to finish this job. Tools that you guys normally have in your shops. We have the shock vacuum, cables, and yeah, a leaf blower. So, so this is our washer and dry area. On the left, this is the washer, and this is the dryer. The dryer is always connected to outside vent, right? Ayan yung power cord niya. The bottom part is in yung vent. For most of us who are living here in North America, this is a typical washer and dryer combo. Normally it has a sensor dry function to determine if clothing is to you now or not. Normally 30 minutes lang yung drying time based on experience. However, one time na nagload ako, took about almost an hour. So, problem is, it's not good for your bills. Again, also, it's not good for your clothing, right? Maluluma kagad yung mga clothing niya. So, and I know this, it's super dry once it's finished. So, I am suspecting that this vent going out is full of lint or something, so it's clogging its way out. That's 240 volts. You're gonna get fried. Some dirt in here. So, make some extension. Okay, for now I'm going to put one hole, what do you call it, pole? So that's it. I have total length, it's about 6 to 7 poles. Dugtong. So it gives me the assurance na malinis yung vent niya. It's a fire hazard, maybe. I'm not expert on that, but most probably it will be. Looks better. Hey, looks better. Okay. This clip was taken during the COVID time. It's about 5 years of accumulation from the last cleanup. So let's see how much we collected at the time. Okay, that's a lot. It's almost 1/3 of the canister. Ooh. Yep. That's significant accumulation of length in those tanks. And then let's compare now to what we collected this time. It's about 2 years from the last clip. Not much, but still a significant amount. Yeah, like 1/5 of the canister compared to 1/3 from the last time. I hope this video gives you an idea on whether you have some work to do on your ducting or you just simply ignore it. It's your call, guys.